Hello everyone, this is NJ Transit and MTA Fan 2023 here, and I was not expecting this. This was supposed to come today, but we have some news yesterday. This one just came in the mail yesterday as well, just like Aerosmith Greatest Hits, the new edition. So, today, I just got Shania Twain Come On Over 25th Anniversary Diamond Edition. I got that from Target for $19.99. So we're going to be unboxing this one to see what that one looks like. So, on with the unboxing one, shall we? And this is originally released in 1997. So, here we go, guys. There's the front, there's the spine, there's the back, here is disc 1, and here is disc 2. Pretty good one, I would say. Diamond Edition. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and please subscribe to my channel, guys, and we'll see you in the next video after this.